Hello and good night. Welcome to another bedtime story. This story is meant to help you sleep or to relax your mind. Try and find a comfortable place, such as your bed or a soft chair. If you feel comfortable, you can close your eyes now. Try and let go of the day as we begin our tale. Tonight's story is Bluebeard. Once upon a time, in a distant land, there lived a wealthy nobleman known as Bluebeard. His name came from his strikingly blue-tinted beard, which gave him an unusual and somewhat fearsome appearance. Despite his immense wealth and grand estates, Bluebeard had difficulty finding a wife, for there was something rather unsettling about him. Rumors swirled of his previous wives, all of whom had mysteriously disappeared without a trace. One day, Bluebeard visited a neighboring noble family with two beautiful daughters. Wishing to marry one of them, he invited the family to his grand castle for a week-long celebration. Though initially wary of him, the younger daughter was eventually charmed by his wealth, hospitality, and apparent kindness. She agreed to marry him, and soon they were wed in a lavish ceremony. After the wedding, Bluebeard informed his new wife that he had urgent business to attend to and would be away for several weeks. Before leaving, he handed her a large ring of keys, saying, "These keys open every door in my castle. Explore as you please, but under no circumstances must you enter the small room at the end of the corridor. That, my dear, is forbidden." Curiosity gnawed at the young bride. For days she roamed the vast castle, marveling at its splendor. However, the forbidden room loomed in her thoughts, tempting her with its mystery. Unable to resist any longer, she took the small key and unlocked the door. To her horror, the room revealed a gruesome sight. Inside were the remains of Bluebeard's previous wives. Their lifeless bodies displayed as a sinister collection. Frozen with fear, she dropped the key, which became stained with blood. Desperately, she tried to clean it, but the blood stain would not fade. That very night, Bluebeard returned unexpectedly. Noticing her distress, he soon discovered the stained key. His face darkened as he spoke. "You have disobeyed me. Now you must join them." Terrified, the young wife pleaded for her life, begging for a short reprieve to pray. Bluebeard granted her one final hour. Secretly, she sent word to her brothers, who were due to visit that very day. They came as soon as they could, and as Bluebeard raised his sword to strike her down, the doors burst open and her brothers stormed in. They fought fiercely and, after a violent struggle, vanquished Bluebeard, ending his reign of terror. With Bluebeard dead, his wife inherited his vast fortune. She shared it generously with her family, ensuring that his dark legacy was replaced with kindness and prosperity. She made sure the castle was open to anyone who needed help. In time, she remarried, finding happiness with a man who treated her with love and respect. And so, the tale of Bluebeard became a cautionary legend, warning against unchecked curiosity and the dangers that may lurk behind closed doors. Also, looks can be deceiving. Someone who pretends to be kind does not have to be a kind person at all. But for the young wife, the tale ends happily. The end. Thank you for listening to this bedtime story. I hope you enjoyed the tale tonight. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more audiobooks and tales to come. Until next time.